What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, XRP Darren. All right, today we're going to be talking about a startup called Chainstack, and then we're going to talk about R3 Corda, Hyperledger Fabric, which is native currency is XLM, Zenfin a little bit, and Amazon and Alibaba. Right now, I'm going to show you a video to explain what is Chainstack and what is this company and what do they do and why am I talking about it. All right, let's go.
The blockchain is expected to help the enterprise sector unlock trillions of dollars in value. Enterprises are rushing to build smart contracts and dApps that optimize processes, increase collaboration, reduce duplication. Inspired, this is how billion-dollar old-school logistics decided to get started on their blockchain journey, building protocol and deployment configurations from scratch. That's certainly not the best way to build blockchain solutions. To top it all, old-school logistics haven't even started building their dApp. But this is how smart logistics went about their blockchain journey. Sign up on Chainstack, create a project, invite others to join, choose a blockchain protocol and consensus algorithm, specify the deployment option, create the network. That's it. Now connect to the blockchain node's secure API and get immediate access to its blockchain explorer. What's more, scale up on networks, nodes, and members in a few clicks, and build smart contracts and dApps right away. From specifying protocol and deployment preferences to inviting members to the consortium, a few minutes is all it took to deploy a production-grade blockchain using Chainstack. Simply put, if you want to work with blockchains, there are two choices, a hard way versus the Chainstack way. What's yours? Chainstack, designed to help you get the most value out of blockchains in the simplest way possible.
Now I want you guys to listen to this interview. This co-founder of Chainstack was being interviewed, and he has said a couple things that I found that you guys should listen to and should know. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. I'm gonna show you the first part.
Okay, so let me introduce Eugene Sev, CTO of Chainstack. So maybe welcome in Prague for the first time. Prague?
Thank you. Not the first time, but first time for last couple of years. So
yeah. So maybe as the first question, what is Chainstack? What is
right. So Chainstack essentially is a platform as a service that helps businesses to build, manage, and orchestrate decentralized networks and services. So in short, it's a managed blockchain service that allows you to go and deploy your first blockchain network and the second blockchain network and all at the same time within a few minutes. So now the process is very time consuming. Chainstack simplifies this process and make it short, efficient, scalable, so that you can deploy 1 or 10 or 50 networks in the same platform. You can manage them from the same console. And
now the reason we're going to talk a little about Zenfin is because there's no exact, like, I'm very big on speculation, but reasonable speculation. Now this is a little bit far, but he's talking about Zenfin, it looks like to me, and this company called Chainstack recently partnered with Corda and R3 using their protocol basically. So let's hear what he says.
And actually tomorrow we can get up and there will be another new high performance fancy blockchain protocol that is in the public. So we don't really know because the industry is growing, the industry is moving very, very fast, the speed is very high. So we are targeting on the
Yeah. So that was a little bit, but I have a little bit more. Let's go to right here.
But we clearly understand that the value of blockchain lies within sort of hybrid network when you have private or consortium network for very, very high speed transactions and some private data storage and so on. But then you want to leverage public networks as well so that you can actually verify that your transactions were not tampered with and that your network state is correct and so on. So we believe in these hybrid networks. So initially we focused on the private consortium ones we clearly see that we'll also provide ability to deploy public nodes as well. And in general, we are looking towards this hybrid networks that will be enabled by both.
Do you have any?
Now, right now, I'm on Chainstack website. I'm gonna just talk about a little bit what's on here and what do I see. Um, there's nothing I can really say like, oh, this is what's going on. It's just take what you get from it because it's very out there. But yeah, so this is their website. Right here, it says manage blockchain infrastructure. Then it says right here, multi-protocol, a different protocol for every business outcome, use case, and application. And then you scroll down and there it says Ethereum, Aurum, multi-chain, Corda, and Fabric, and more protocols coming soon. So I like these two. These came out to me, Corda R3 and Fabric, Hyperledger Fabric. And when I go down, it says multi-cloud on premises and hybrid, right? Now, just because it say hybrid, I don't mean Zenfin. I don't believe that, but if it is, woohoo. But that's not what I'm getting from it because people use hybrid for a lot of different things. The word hybrid for this type of stuff. So, though I see Google Cloud and I see Amazon services, and then I see Azure, which is Microsoft, and then I see Alibaba Cloud, and then I see DigitalOcean, and it says private cloud right here. So what I see that I'm interested in is this Azure. I had a video on Microsoft Azure, how that connects to Zenfin. That's pretty cool. And then, but that doesn't mean it's Zenfin any connections at all. I'm just saying that. Amazon and Alibaba, there's no connections to Zenfin I could find, as in I couldn't, as well as Google, because I looked up Google, but Google said something about hybrid and stuff, but it was talking about Chainlink. And, I like Chainlink, but I feel like Chainlink had a run up already, and I want to be a little bit before run up. So let's talk about Amazon and Alibaba. Now, right here it says I'm on Amazon website, and it says Amazon Managed Blockchain is fully managed service that makes it easy to create and manage scalable blockchain networks using the popular open source frameworks Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of their video.
Problem where you want decentralized trust across a group of people that need to be solved with blockchain. And so I'm excited to announce the launch of Amazon Managed Blockchain, which is fully managed blockchain service supporting both Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. So this service is going to make it much easier for you to use the two most popular blockchain frameworks. So for companies typically who know the number of members that they want in their blockchain network and where they want some kind of robust private operations and capabilities, people typically choose Hyperledger Fabric. And for those who don't know the number of members or want to allow any number of members to join where it's largely public, they usually choose Ethereum. Hyperledger Fabric is available for you to start using today. Ethereum will be available in a couple months.
It's interesting to me that they started on Hyperledger Fabric before Ethereum. That's cool. That's XLM all over it. Come on, you guys. All right, and Alibaba. I'm gonna just read this. This is on. This is not Alibaba website, but it's already public that Alibaba Cloud launched blockchain as a service offering, and this was in October 24th, 2018. So this has been pretty known. Right here, I want to read this. All right. Our customers in China have already experienced the benefits from our BAS platform, and we are excited to extend this service to other enterprise customers all over the world, said Yi Lai, Senior Staff Engineer and Lead of Alibaba Cloud Blockchain Service. Alibaba Cloud is also the first blockchain service provider of Intel SGX security technology. We aim to become a technology partner that enables companies that wish to use blockchain to accelerate their digital transformation. And this is the last one to read. And I want to talk about, I read that paragraph before because China, recently China had announced they're going to be fully supporting blockchain heavily, and Hyperledger Fabric might be part of it exceptionally because Alibaba is the top company, mainly top company over there. So let's read this. We're delighted to see the launch of Alibaba Cloud BaaS powered by Hyperledger Fabric. Crazy. Powered by Hyperledger Fabric. As we've already seen many Hyperledger use cases in production this year, as stated in MIIT's recent white paper, 2018 is set to be another blockbuster year for the industry with record amount of capital to be injected into companies in the space. And Hyperledger is committed to the development of blockchain technologies in China. Together with Alibaba Cloud, we look forward to bringing more exciting innovations to the global blockchain communities, said Brian Bellendorf, Executive Director of Hyperledger. That's pretty bullish on XLM Hyperledger. Hyperledger Fabric. Recently I had XRP in a little bag of XLM, but when I heard about Zenfin and I started digging into Zenfin, I dumped my XLM into Zenfin because I don't know. That's just what I want to do. That is all I have for you guys today. I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm loving the support I'm getting. I'm growing pretty fast. I'm going to be dropping more content the more you guys support me. Follow me on Twitter, Darren Lewis Jr. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, of course. Comment anything you want. I don't care. I'll respond. I'll like. Love you guys. Have a good, it's the end of the Saturday. I hope you guys had a good Saturday. See you guys later.